Hi, my name is Leona Moore. I'm going to be teaching preschool to third grade level. I believe that in a world that is constantly changing, it is very crucial to adapt to progression, especially as a teacher. Educators impact what their students are able to learn based on the resources and skills that the teachers provide the students with. Technology can enhance education by allowing students to learn and be assessed in a more creative manner. Students also have a stronger determination to learn when technology is involved because they have the ability to be innovative in their learning. I will integrate technology into my future classroom because I believe strongly in the possibilities that my students will be able to accomplish based on what they are provided. Now I will show you a couple of my best artifacts that I have created during my time in the W200 course. The first artifact that I have is my Ed Puzzle. The Edpuzzle website allows teachers to progress in a lesson based on the expectations they have of their students. Teachers are able to pause the video to have their students connect to the video to ensure that the students are learning the lesson. Edpuzzle is also an effective resource because it allows teachers to be more in control of what they're teaching so students can grasp the content better. My next artifact is my Fakebook account. Creating a Fakebook page for academic purposes would be helpful in engaging students with the characters in a story. A Fakebook page would also be beneficial because it enhances the learning for students by addressing key events and showing students characterization through technology. A resource like Fakebook would also allow visualization for students to have a personal connection with the main characters of a story. I believe that students would enjoy this resource because it could encourage them to be more creative with their work. A Fakebook page would also allow students to remember the events in the story and how characters play a part in a story easily. My next resource is my computational thinking lesson plan that I created. In this lesson plan, I worked with 4 other people who are also in my grade level in order to create a lesson plan based on computational thinking. Our title was Getting Loopy, and the overall goal was to start building the skills to translate real-world situations to online scenarios. The key terms were loop and repeat. We provided the students with VBots so that they were able to experience how to code. We had a dance party for the students. And to emphasize on repetition, like clapping 3 times. And then we wrapped it up by allowing the students to play with the B-bots to the sound of the hokey pokey. And then the students were assessed with a Kahoot based off of the information such as what was the lesson about today, what were some of the repetition and loop that were provided in the dance. I plan on using technology in my future classroom to engage students better than they would have the opportunity to without technology. With technology growing, we have more of a responsibility to teach them while they're as young as possible because it is constantly changing. So the more familiar they are with it, the easier they will develop over time as they grow and they become prepared for their future in life. I really enjoyed the W200 course. I enjoyed learning about how to integrate technology into education. Before I came into class, I wasn't very confident in myself at all because I knew of resources, but I didn't really know how to integrate it. After the end of the course, I can confidently say that I know technology practices and how to help others develop the skills that I have. And I also believe in my ability to engage in professional growth and educational technology and my ability to model digital age work to help other teachers